Hey you!
Your spend hours to know how to get viral.
Stop!
Here I am, baby. Danger Rocket is here to change your goddamn life. In this video I'm gonna telling you a golden secret that YouTube doesn't want you know. The first thing I just wanna talking about is this. They just making shit videos like this.
You don't want to be like this. This is disgusting. This is awful in every way.
And what I want to do today is to remove all the garbage and suggest you a few things that will increase the chances of your videos going viral. And if you listen to me, you can make it. First, do not create ever boring video. If you create, you get so much love from your viewers. Kidding. Just find a new idea that no one has done before. Start making videos. And if one day I find out that you copied my videos or someone else, I will find you and killing you. So take this issue seriously. When you make a boring video, you will lose a huge part of your audience at the very beginning of the video. And this is not good for you at all. So please be smart and fix something. Your first 30 seconds of your video is the most important part of your video. If they like your first 30 seconds and you make a good video, good edit, they usually see your entire video. The second thing you need to know is that you need to force your viewers to watch your video until the end. You know why? Because this will make YouTube know that your video is fire. And I didn't want to talk about this very important point here because other YouTubers share this with others in their paid courses. I always see too many people in my YouTube homepage and they making like 40 minutes videos. Sometime I see some guy making 15 minutes or higher duration video. Dude, what the hell are you doing? Don't do that. Biggest mistake. For example, you made a 40 minutes video and your first 2 or 5 viewers in best situations see 10 minutes of your video because your video is too long and your viewers watch 5% or 10% of a 40 minutes video, and because this YouTube algorithm think you made garbage. So always remember, you don't want to make a 2 hours Hollywood movie. Whatever you want, I think for the first video is enough. I don't want to talk too much, because I'm fast, I'm pretty, I'm young. What are you really doing here? Go that way. Get the hell out of here.